Teamcenter PLM Product Lifecycle Management Online Training. Learn from experts with Proexcellency. Introduction. Product Lifecycle Management (PLM) is a strategic approach that involves the management of product-related data, processes, and collaboration throughout the entire life cycle of a product, from its conception and design to manufacturing, distribution, and disposal. PLM aims to optimize product development and ensure that all stakeholders involved in the process have access to accurate and up-to-date information. It provides a centralized platform for teams to collaborate, make informed decisions, and streamline workflows, ultimately resulting in improved product quality, reduced time to market, and increased efficiency. Key features and benefits of Teamcenter PLM. Comprehensive data management. Teamcenter offers a centralized repository to manage all types of product data, including 3D models, 2D drawings, documents, specifications, and related information. Version control and change management. Teamcenter allows users to maintain version histories of product data, enabling them to track changes and manage revisions effectively. Collaborative tools. Teamcenter facilitates real-time collaboration among geographically dispersed teams, promoting effective communication and knowledge sharing. Workflow automation. The platform supports the configuration of workflow processes, ensuring that data moves through predefined stages with proper approvals and validations. CAD integration. Teamcenter seamlessly integrates with various computer-aided design (CAD) software, enabling users to manage CAD data efficiently. Data classification and attributes. Users can classify data based on different attributes, making it easier to organize and retrieve information. Analytics and reporting. Teamcenter offers tools for monitoring and analyzing product data, generating custom reports, and gaining valuable business insights. Security and access control. Teamcenter allows administrators to control access to sensitive data, ensuring data security and compliance. ERP integration. Integration with enterprise resource planning (ERP) systems helps streamline processes between engineering and manufacturing teams. Understanding the role of Teamcenter in product development. Teamcenter plays a pivotal role in product development by serving as a centralized hub for all product-related data and processes. It enables various teams, such as engineering, design, manufacturing, and quality assurance, to work collaboratively throughout the product's life cycle. With features like version control and change management, teams can efficiently track design iterations and manage modifications. The platform facilitates multidisciplinary collaboration, allowing different teams to access and contribute to the product data concurrently. This real-time collaboration streamlines decision-making processes and ensures that all stakeholders have the most up-to-date information. Teamcenter's workflow automation capabilities help organizations establish efficient processes for tasks like design approvals, change requests, and document reviews. This automation ensures that product development follows standardized procedures and reduces the chances of errors or delays. Getting started with Teamcenter PLM. To get started with Teamcenter PLM, organizations need to consider the following steps. System requirements and installation. Assess the hardware and software requirements for installing Teamcenter based on the number of users and data volume. Install the necessary components and configure the system to meet the organization's needs. User registration and access control. Set up user accounts and assign appropriate access levels to ensure that users can only view and modify data relevant to their roles. Navigating the Teamcenter interface. Familiarize users with the Teamcenter interface and its navigation to enhance productivity and ease of use. Managing data in Teamcenter. Creating and managing product data. Learn how to create and manage product data in Teamcenter, including CAD models, documents, and other related files. File management and version control. Understand how to store and manage files in Teamcenter, ensuring version control and efficient handling of design changes. Data classification and attributes. Implement data classification schemes and assign attributes to facilitate easy categorization and retrieval of information. Collaborative product development. Creating and managing product structures. Utilize Teamcenter's capabilities to create and manage product structures, including bills of materials, BOMs, and assemblies. Multidisciplinary collaboration tools. Explore collaborative tools such as discussion boards, document sharing, and workflow notifications to foster efficient team collaboration. Change management and workflow processes. Set up change management processes to control the flow of product changes and ensure proper approvals and reviews. Effective product data searching. Quick search versus advanced search. Understand the differences between quick searches and advanced searches to efficiently retrieve relevant product data. Filters and search criteria. Learn how to use filters and search criteria effectively to narrow down search results and locate specific data quickly. Best practices for efficient data retrieval. Implement best practices for data organization and naming conventions to optimize search results and data retrieval. Configuring Teamcenter PLM. Customizing user interfaces. Tailor the Teamcenter user interface to match specific user roles and workflow requirements. Workflow configuration and automation. Configure workflows to automate processes and ensure data moves through predefined stages seamlessly. Security and access control settings. Define security settings and access controls to protect sensitive data and prevent unauthorized access. Integrating Teamcenter with CAD and other tools. CAD data management integration. Integrate Teamcenter with CAD software to enable seamless data exchange between design teams and the PLM system. Data exchange with CAD software. Explore methods to exchange CAD data between Teamcenter and CAD software while maintaining data integrity. Integrating ERP and PLM systems. Understand how to integrate Teamcenter with ERP systems to ensure smooth data flow between engineering and manufacturing. Teamcenter PLM Analytics and Reporting. Monitoring and analyzing product data. Utilize Teamcenter's analytics tools to monitor product data and identify trends or issues. Generating custom reports and dashboards. Learn how to create custom reports and dashboards to present key performance indicators and project status. Utilizing analytics for business insights. Use analytics insights to make data-driven decisions, optimize processes, and improve product development efficiency. Data integrity and quality assurance. Implement practices to maintain data integrity and ensure the accuracy of product information. Collaborative workflows and team communication. Foster collaborative work environments and encourage effective team communication to enhance productivity. Performance optimization and scalability. Optimize Teamcenter's performance to handle large datasets and ensure scalability for future growth. Best practices for Teamcenter PLM. Advanced features and tips. Advanced visualization and simulation. Explore advanced visualization and simulation capabilities within Teamcenter to enhance design validation and decision-making. Supplier collaboration and external access. Extend Teamcenter usage to external partners or suppliers for seamless collaboration and data sharing. Expanding Teamcenter functionality with add-ons. Consider integrating additional software add-ons to enhance Teamcenter's capabilities for specific use cases. Troubleshooting and support. Common issues and solutions. Understand common issues that may arise during Teamcenter usage and learn how to troubleshoot and resolve them. Getting help from Siemens support. Explore available support options from Siemens, the company behind Teamcenter, to get assistance with technical issues. Community resources and forums. Engage with Teamcenter user communities and forums to share knowledge and learn from other users' experiences. Real-world case study. Success stories of Teamcenter PLM implementation. Study real-world examples of successful Teamcenter implementations and the benefits they brought to organizations. Lessons learned and best practices from industry examples. Understand the challenges faced by other organizations during Teamcenter implementation and the best practices adopted to overcome them. Implementing Teamcenter PLM can be a transformative journey for any organization, helping them achieve streamlined product development, improved collaboration, and enhanced efficiency throughout the product lifecycle. With the proper understanding of the platform's features and best practices, businesses can harness the full potential of Teamcenter to meet their specific needs and drive innovation in their respective industries. Why do you choose Proexcellency for Teamcenter PLM Online Training? I would choose Proexcellency for Teamcenter PLM Online Training because of the following reasons. They have a team of experienced Teamcenter professionals who are passionate about teaching. The trainers are knowledgeable and have a wealth of experience in using Teamcenter PLM. They are also patient and able to explain complex concepts in a clear and concise way. The course materials are well organized and easy to follow. The course includes lectures, demonstrations, and hands-on exercises. The exercises are designed to help you learn by doing. The course is available at your own pace. You can watch the lectures and complete the exercises whenever you have time. This is a great option if you are busy or if you want to learn at your own pace. You get access to the course materials and exercises even after the course is over. This means that you can refer back to the materials if you need to brush up on a concept or if you want to learn more about a particular topic. You receive a certificate of completion upon successful completion of the course. This certificate can be used to demonstrate your skills to potential employers or clients. Overall, I believe that Proexcellency is a great choice for Teamcenter PLM Online Training. They have a team of experienced trainers, well-organized course materials, and a flexible learning format. If you are looking for a way to learn how to use Teamcenter PLM, I would highly recommend Proexcellency. Connect with us. +918722079509 vertical bar +919008906809 www.proexcellency.com. Thank you for watching.